All right, so it looks like it's time to start the season. Yeah, I can't forget about the coffee before the off-road. All right, so it looks like it's time to start the season. Finally got some nice weather. A little muddy. It was raining pretty much for like last 2 days.
Yep.
But we got our toys. And
So there is actually gonna be dirt biking.
Alright, so before I get dressed, it should be a good idea to start the bike first. See if it's gonna work after the winter. It works just fine. All right, let's get dressed. All right, so let's officially start the season. Today we got what? Kawasaki KX250 4-stroke, the wheelie machine.
Oh yeah.
All day, every day. And we got my KTM 300 XC. Let's see if it starts again. Yeah, my KTM, they said. But look at this guy. He's prepared for fucking everything. Waterproof jacket. It's fucking professional, yeah, so we're not gonna ride with him for too long. We're just gonna see this bike over here. 300 XW. Very fucking nice bike. Jeek. Jeek. Jeek.
Jeeky jeek.
Nice. Let's go for a spin.
Kurwa się wkurwia za mną. Ja się śmieję cały czas. To jest żal, kurwa, tutaj jedzie ze mnie.
Oh, Santa Maria. Ah, sure. Nice! Jej! Wow!
Daniela tu!
Co?
Tak wszystko!
Hard enduro!
Ja mam tutaj gazu, kurwa, rozwaj. What the fuck is this?
Co to się stanęło? Yeah, you got it! You got it!
Looking good. Beer, Bradford.
Sausage party. You know it.
We'll break.
Miałem być ale nie wiem, czy miałem potem motor jechać.
O.
Dobry! We got a little wind. Umarłeś? You died?
Kurwa! I monetka mi się przekręciła jeszcze. Oh fuck!
Oh, that was good. That was good. Yeah, you don't need a shower.
Co to jest tutaj za jogi?
No. Ten też dobrze wygląda.
Życie jest piękne.
Hard enduro! So fucking slippery, dude. Fucking insane. What's going on, guys? Oh!
Hard enduro.
Bueno. Okay.
O kurwa, dobra.
No.
Ciao.
Damn. Look at this. How you doing?
Good.
Need some help?
I don't know. I wouldn't deny it.
Yeah, I can help you out.
I'm just gonna get it going that way. So I got it this far, but couldn't get it up over the berm.
Look at this guy. Deep mudding today. Oh, jeez.
Gotta love it.
Well, you made it.
All right, guys, let's help him out.
All right.
Easy.
No.
That's a pretty heavy bike.
Lift it up.
Uh-huh. You got it?
Beautiful. Yeah, thank you guys.
Ah, Jesus. Money. Oh, Jesus. So you want to go deeper?
Well, I can't get up there, so I'll go back the way I came. Yeah, I just got it, and figured I needed to try it off-road before I take it on the event.
Yeah. Yep.
It's a lot harder than I thought it might be.
You want a little hard on it, though.
What's that?
You want a little hard on it.
Yeah.
You know?
So I told myself if I didn't dump it at least once today, then I wasn't
Yeah.
trying hard enough.
Yeah, okay.
Perfect. That's what I like.
Yeah.
All right, let's go, guys.
All right. Thanks again, guys.
Do the face. Alright, so it looks like that's gonna be it for today. Yeah, so that was Off-Road Park right in Rockford. What's the name of it?
Rocky Glen.
Rocky Glen Off-Road Park. Yeah, that's pretty decent spot, I guess. It's not that crazy, but you can have a little bit of fun.
I think the closest to Chicago, so.
Yep. How was it? Did you made it out?
Yeah. Yeah, I probably laid it down about 4 or 5 times.
Are you serious?
Yeah, so I got my exercise today picking it up, that's for sure. BMW 12.
The
tram.
Yep. I couldn't even touch the ground, so that's not happening. But
Yeah,
the Android was, decent. I'm not a big guy.
And it's a 3-year-old
Yes.
Oh, okay.
So I got it out the door.
Alright, see ya. See you next time. Pretty hardcore guy. Okay, looks like we're all set up over here.
Dave did a wonderful job, as
Yeah.
always.
Oh, my gloves, my gloves. That's pretty quick, Dave. Alright guys, so that's gonna be it for today. A lot of fun with those guys.
I'm tired.
We got Mishak on the back, we got Dave.
Cleaned up a little bit.
Yep. And yes, it's time to go home and unpack everything. Fuck. A lot of fun. Alright, see ya.